What's up, YouTube? Today, your girl doing her hair. What I'm doing to it, I really don't know. But guess what I got? I got that what? Jamaican bounce hair. Yes. Jamaican bounce. Check it out. It's the number 27. Yes, it is. Let's get into this video because I ain't got all day and my daughter need her hair done. So what y'all gonna do? Stay tuned. All right, y'all, so I put some argan oil on my scalp right there a little bit. Dabbed it like that. I like coconut. So I'm gonna get a little bit of that on my hand. Put it on here like so. I like my hair to be really moisturized or greased, whatever you want to call it. I use this too as well, Jamaican black castor oil. I put a little bit of this on here as well. So when I take whatever style I got, whatever style I do on my hair, when I take it out, it's still moist and not dry. And that's what I like. And let's get into it. Right, so I got that Shine Jam. I think I'm just gonna put like 3 braids in the front, right here on the side. I don't know. Don't talk to me about my parts because I'm not a beautician, hairstylist, cosmetologist. None of that, y'all. None of that. Just a girl trying to make it through the day and what? Look cute. Okay, let's get it. Yep, y'all, and like so. Y'all, so I braided it all up. My braids don't have to be perfect because I'm gonna put the hair over it, and I just threw some braids in there, you know, so the latch hook hair can catch up on it, that Jamaican bounce. So I'm gonna turn around. I don't know what the back looking like, so what? Don't judge me, don't care. I'm turning around, and that's that. And I got this hair y'all, right here. For the back, I'm not gonna take it apart. I'm just gonna kind of like let it do what it do. Got my hook right here, going in for the kill. Turned around like this. Got it like this. Got my hook. I'm just gonna pull it through one time. Put it through one time rather. And pow. Ooh, that's looking good already. I'm gonna do one more and then I'm gonna put y'all on what? Time lapse so we can what? Make some progress. Yes. down. Pull, grab it. And what? You know. This is what we're looking like so far. I'm gonna start pulling some of them apart. This is the front. This is the back. So I'm just gonna start pulling some apart like so. I'm gonna show you how to do it the first time. Like so. Make it nice and full because my braids was kind of big, the ones that I put in before I started like hooking the hair in. So I don't want that to show. I'm gonna go up under a little bit and pull this apart where I connected the hair. This hair is, I love Jamaican bounce hair. It is really, 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 really pretty. It tangles up after a couple days, but it's really good hair. I probably won't cut it, maybe just the ends or something, because I like the wild look. And I'm just gonna go through and pull it through just like so, like I'm doing. Make the hair kind of big. And then I'm gonna go over to this side and do it as well, so my hair won't show in the back. Like so. I'm gonna pull all the ones apart. Mind you, I can't see the back of my hair. I'm gonna have to take a picture or something and look. I need to invest in one of those mirrors. I think I will. Oh, that's cool. Keep on doing this until I put every last one of them apart to make it look like something. Hey! Hey, 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 hey! Check it out, check it out, check it out! Yes! This look is so cute, y'all. This look is so cute to me. To me. Yes. Because it's sad. I tried to pull as many of them apart as I possibly could. Yeah. I did that. I like the braids on the side. You see that? Y'all see what your girl did? So this is the side. You know, like some of the ends, I kind of like took them off. But you know I'm not a what? Cosmetologist, beautician, hairstylist, none of that. So I don't know how to cut. I just did what I could do. You understand what I'm saying? So let me show y'all. Sides, back, hey, other side, and front. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I might not be the best little hair doer, but you know what? I'm learning. I'm learning. Hey, 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 hey. Yes. Once again, thank you for tuning in. Know what? TLA'S Beauty. If you haven't yet, please do subscribe. Stay safe, stay blessed, and guess what, family? Thank you. Bye.